It's Sunday morning. It's really windy out there. And 5 degrees. So it's not terribly cold. But it's, awfully windy. But that doesn't affect us, does it? We're not going outside. No. So Julia and I are hanging out in the shower. Yes, you're hanging out with me in the shower. We are, however, not having a shower. We're sitting in the shower. You're walking in the shower. I'm finished with my morning and my afternoon classes work, so I just have to get the evening classes done. So the two levels that I've separated my class into have to be handled. Justin's not up to lesson planning yet, really, very adequately. You should clean your eyes better. Yep, clean your eyes better. There we go. Clean your eyes better. So I'm still, I didn't get that there. All right, oh, now you're clean. I'd like to go out for a walk, but right now it's not a good idea. I checked out. No cleaning yourself. You could have a shower some other time, all right? I checked out. Show butt to people. Yes, that's it. Lie down. What they say about cane use, and it is helpful, and it has helped. So after a week of using, of using my cane when walking around school, it feels a lot better at the end of the week than it did the week before. So it is helpful. It's not probably as good as using crutches would be, but it's better than nothing, which was not good. So I think we'll go with the cane and let it take its time, but know that it's helping. We have Remembrance Day coming up on Monday, so I'd like to hold up the poppy, a much larger one than the one I have on my shirt or jacket. And we're going to do a few things on Monday to commemorate Remembrance Day and all the soldiers who died in war. So that's tomorrow. Things are moving along smoothly. And I will have assessments to do later on, but I'm not as concerned about them as I was before. So assessments will be a little easier, I think. I hope. I'm not gonna stress out about them as much. Julia's here. Floyd's at the other window. Tiger's in the sink. Yes. He has decided that that's a safe place for him. He came and woke me up this morning. I thought I could, sleep in, but no. He came over. Oh, no, he didn't come over. He went to the window and he started agitating at the window. I mean, really, why did he have to get in behind the blinds? And I mean, I suppose he could have seen a squirrel or something, but that was annoying. And then when I chased him off there, he came onto the bed and started telling me to get up. No sleeping my full 8 hours. Never. Anyway, I have to work anyway. I have to finish the lessons for the evening class, and I should get right to it, right? Anything exciting happening in the world? Not really. I mean, yes, horrible in the Philippines. The destruction, the deaths, 10,000 at least. And Filipino immigrants are a huge part of the immigrants that come to Canada. I have taught many Filipino immigrants, so that's pretty bad. Rob Ford in Toronto. The saga continues. How that man thinks that he should still be the mayor of the largest city in Canada is beyond me. But whatever. The Holly Jolly festive tour went from 9 till at least 4 yesterday. That was kind of cool seeing all those people. Coming to my street right across from our house. That was cool. It was exciting. Lots of activity on the road. Yeah. And that's about it. It's a quiet day. There goes Floyd. And I think there should go I as well. See ya.